cut in the middle as well. So we'll have that long. But I don't know, unless you want to do longer welds or you just want to, I don't know how it's going to go.
I reckon we cut it up into some bits and just see what happens. Okay. We did it last time. Welcome to episode 2 of Luke and Ryan learning how to weld. Episode 1, what did we learn? Cool. We didn't learn very much, but episode 2 I have more hope for. We have some actual stainless steel this time, which should be good considering that's what we were trying to weld last time, but we're doing wrong stuff. Yeah, we've got a safety table here made of something that isn't flammable.
Good old MDF.
We've got safety water for our fires.
Yeah, exactly. We've got fire, we can just put it out.
Safety water's delicious.
It's life. And it, well, it go. Wash yourself there, mate. Give the edges a quick whiz over.
I didn't plug it in. The metal's never gonna look this good ever again. We're about to absolutely destroy it. Is that one of your dad's ones?
Yeah, he said one of these is I'm guessing it's this one. It's an auto darkening one thing, but they are MIG lenses, so I believe that means they're less dark.
That's good.
Well, no. It's
terrible for when you try and look at something that's really bright.
Last time, when we had it on the low setting,
yeah,
it was horrendous.
Right, it blinded you, Ryan, that's what it did.
That doesn't work. Mate, I can't see anything. I mean, that's a lot better than the steel and
already
mix we had back along. It's still not right.
No, it's much better though. What's the mask like?
It's okay. Not dark enough, but it's okay. Ow. It didn't turn on then. Yeah, it's not working. It just turns off and on again. Right. That's way better.
I think the wood might be on fire, mate.
Pardon?
I think the wood might be on fire.
It definitely is. When I stop one.
So I just want to take a minute to explain something. So I woke up this morning, we were obviously doing this welding yesterday, and my eyes were just, it felt like I poured grit and sand in them and just rolled them around. They were in agony, I could barely see, and my face is really warm. And basically, although we were being safe when we're welding and we had the masks on, when I was shooting these clips, like the little beauty clips, I'm obviously just behind the camera and the welding's happening the other side of the camera. But I'm like, I thought in my head, I was like, well, I'm not gonna look at the weld, and that's the dangerous bit. I'm not gonna look at it because I'm looking at the camera and not looking at the welding happening. That's fine. But what's actually happened is obviously the UV's come over the top of the camera and underneath the camera and has given me arc eye and like sunburnt my face. It's probably quite serious. My eyes are better now. I've gone and got drops and everything. What I can say is just don't do any welding. Don't look near the welding. Don't look at the welding. Don't be near it without safety kit on. I've learned a very hard lesson, and this morning I was really worried. Like, my eyes hurt so much I had no idea what it was. We're not trying to do a how-to on this. We're not trying to pretend that we know what we're doing. We don't. We're learning. I've learned a hard lesson. I'll throw you back in, but just don't do what we're doing. I don't look too bad, mate.
I mean, for the second time in doing it, I wouldn't say it's all too bad.
That's not too bad, mate. I mean, let's be honest, it's significantly better than our last attempt.
Just need a lot more practice, I think.
Yeah, I reckon just do some more. Fresh tip. That might be a bit too much tip. Whoa! Right, there we go. Torch is prepared and ready. There's my professional welding gloves. They're in my pocket of all places. I can use this one. It was working here, yeah? Okay. I just turned the sensitivity on to high. Have I got a fresh rod?
Loads of rods in there.
Is this a fresh rod?
Yeah.
Okay, it's going to be fresh rod. We're going to try again. Ryan did an absolutely stellar job. That is some of the finest welding we've done ever, I'd argue. I don't know what to expect from this. Well, I do know what to expect from this, but I'm hoping that what I'm expecting doesn't happen. And you see the most beautiful rainbow bead weld you've ever seen. That's what I was good at, pushing the puddle. I'm going to try pushing the puddle again, and then I'm going to move on to introducing the other stuff. I have done nothing.
You got it warm?
I got it warm!
You put a hole in it. You got it warm?
I've warmed it up. I've blown a little bit of a hole in it at the end. I mean, where was I going? I was off on my own little journey.
Lovely, but yeah.
They look lovely, but they're not in the right place. Look at that. Where was I off to? Oh, I'm gonna try the other side.
It's all gone. Promising, you're on the line there, that? Wow.
No, I'm not. Oh, where am I going? Ooh, wobbly. I can't see what I'm doing.
We'll try another mask.
Oh, bollocks.
Burn it off.
Oh, fire.
Gonna try something. Can I put the ampage up? Well, if you just weld and you just tell me if it's better or worse. You like that?
Yeah, sitting better. I do like that. Oh my god, mate, look how f***ing good that welding is. Look at the state of that. It's not beaten up at all.
Yeah, boy. We needed some more power,
We
baby.
need some more power, baby.
I knew it was the welder's fault.
I knew it was the welder's fault. I've been telling you this. That's actually some of the best welding I've ever seen.
When you're almost there.
I'm still just not doing it on the job. Luke's and Ryan's welding lessons are in full swing, and so although the start of my welding career over here wasn't so great, over here wasn't so great, and I couldn't really stay on the line, here at the end, I'm not sure if you can see this, I'm going to bring it in a little bit, because I'm really proud of this. Look at that. You'd almost pay someone to do that for you, wouldn't you, Ryan? Look at that.
It's gorgeous.
Isn't that nice?
Right into it.
I've even got the rainbow effect that people like with their welding.
The extra for that.
We turned the ampage up. Is it called ampage?
Yeah.
We made it go faster, and it seems to be better. So we're going to try a bit of faster welding.
Excited.
You've got to stop swearing, because you give me a lot of work to do in post.
I'm really excited.
In hell, Ryan. Wow, hey, look at that.
From this all the way to this to that one.
That is absolutely stunning, mate. And how have you done that?
I don't know. Just did it. I think my subconscious took over. My subconscious is actually a better person than me. He just sort of does.
Right, that is absolutely beautiful. You should be really proud of yourself for that one, mate. Whatever you just did,
Do it again.
do it again, because that is stunning.
I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but I've got joints. Yeah.
Well, that looks a lot smoother.
I mean, I prefer me. I'm gonna put that out there. Just go blast it, that's it. But
Show the people.
have a look, look what I did, look.
Look at that. That's wonderful work, mate. You've done a fantastic job, sir. Okay, after that last attempt of mine, I think we're getting somewhere. This one and this one are my last two. Ignore the rest of it, that was Ryan. We're gonna have a little bit of a competition. It's not a competition, because no one can lose. We're gonna do like a T shape. So you have to hold it like that, tack it, and then weld it. And I don't know, we could like rest something on it and see whose wins.
We could do a stress test on it.
We could do a stress test. We could put it under loads of stress, like just say, "Oh God, your bills are due." Ah,
You'll never be good enough.
you'll never be good enough. You're a rubbish weld.
See which one breaks under pressure.
But yes, that's what we're gonna try and do. We're gonna do a T stress test. Test. Prepare your welds. Prepare your metal. We are going to war.
Hi. Oh yeah. Yeah, can you hold it please? Thank you. Just put a bit of pressure down.
Looks like a tack to me.
Holy shit. It's not good, is it?
If it holds, it holds, mate. If it holds, it's a weld.
Counting this as my final for the challenge, but I'm going to break it off because I don't want to waste the metal.
Look at this masterpiece. I want to get an angle of like the angle of the metal. Yeah, that's wonderful work, that mate. Right, entry number one. I'm hoping to defeat Ryan in this battle.
Not much competition, let's be honest.
Through preparation, through experimentation, and through sheer determination to, I don't know, yeah? I can't use the word knowledge or experience or talent or good welds, but I can use things that I can control right now. There we go. I'm gonna prep my ting. Right, I'm gonna go with a little bit of extra tip length in the hope that it allows me to reach.
Get in there. I would suggest tacking each end
Yes.
immediately.
If you could hold with the pliers. Can I get some fresh rod, baby? Let's go thin. No, thick, but put me on 35 amps.
Thick?
No, thin. That's really thick.
Yeah, but you've been using thick the whole time.
Have we?
Yeah.
Jesus. Can I use thin and put me on 35 amps?
We're going to use a thinner wire and more amps.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna win this through experimentation.
I'll get that in there.
Because you know I'm gonna you know I'm gonna want it. Experimentation, determination, and pure idiocy. Did I include that on the list last time?
I don't know, we'll have a look. Go for it, go for it.
I've blown a hole in it.
You gotta get a tack soon, please, because it's in warm.
Why won't it stick? What am I doing wrong?
Get some more heat into it.
What the f is going on? Yeah!
Yeah, mate!
Now we can cook it. Wins for experimentation and excitement. I'll be honest, that isn't what I thought I saw happening through the mass. I've just like left loads of little tiny balls. I thought it was pulsing up quite nicely, but it just wasn't. Okay. My submission is complete. There she is, people. Looks like a starship from Star Wars. I don't think anyone won that, mate.
We're all losers. I mean, we tried, we succeeded a little bit.
Let's be honest, at the end of the day, we have got 2 pieces of metal that are welded somewhat in that direction. In that case, I've succeeded because that looks to me like 2 pieces of metal held in somewhat of a T-shape. How was yours looking?
You have failed successfully. Mine looks like
There's some positives to take from this experience.
that one little bit in there. Happy with. That was just replicated all the way along, and then this one here in there. Wow.
The backside's kind of got a pretty colour on it. There's some puddling going on there. Not necessarily where I want it, but look at that. A dream. I'm not sure we can call ourselves successful with this. We need to do the car, Ryan.
Yeah, go on. I'll bring you the weld set.
You're really good at MIG welding. I don't know what you're on about. So we're just about to call it a day. Just did a few last welds, but I can show you. So this here, just done that, which is quite nice. Getting 2 together. We still don't know what's going on with the back. I feel like we're gonna go and ask someone who knows what they're on about, just to tell us what we're doing wrong. But I think it's pretty good. I reckon we'll be welding together, I don't know, an airbox in about 2 weeks.
By Christmas.
By Christmas.
2026.
Christmas in a few years' time. Nice one. See you in a bit.